Hi everyone! In this tutorial you will learn how to wrap any objects in plastic. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First of all, add any objects that you want. Now add a cube. Use S button to scale it till cover all the objects. You can go to wireframe for better view. OK. Now go to edit mode and then right click on the cube and subdivide it like 40. Go back to object mode and hide the cube. Now use Shift and select all the objects and duplicate them. Then use Ctrl J and join them. Now we have on parent object. Unhide the cube, then go to modifiers. Just search for shrink wrap. Now select the joined objects. OK. It's not good. Let's fix it. Just play with offset. I think 0.01 is fine. Now just apply it. Let's add a subdivision surface modifier. Put the levels on 2. Now apply it. Right-click and shade it smooth. Let's go for add materials. Put the transmission on 1. And put the roughness on something like 0.124. Let's add an area light. Increase the power. Now you can duplicate it and make some other light around the objects. OK. Put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Now go to render view. Let's add a plane and make a background for a better view. You can also change the color of our plastic. OK. It's fine, but let's make it more realistic. Just add a solidify modifier. Put the thickness on -0.01. OK. Look at our nice plastic. Apply the modifier. I think let's change the color on white. Yes. It's so much better. Now just add some color to our objects. And this is our final. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.